Welcome back to tricksToCode. In this video, we are going to know the different ways of printing something in browser using JavaScript. For that, first we have to open our editor. Yeah. First, create a file, save it as printinjs.html. Save it. Start writing some HTML code. Inside the body section, as all of you know, we have to write script. The first one is document.write. If I write something inside this will print in our browser. The semicolon here is optional. You can give it or skip it. Save this file, open in a browser. Here we can see hello is printed. Let's move to the next one. This is console.log. Let's write console.log. I'm writing hey, welcome. Save the file. Open the browser, refresh it. See, there is nothing here, but when we are going to inspect, here see, there is a console tab. Here, hey, welcome is printed. So, while we are writing console.log, it is not going to print directly in the browser, but it will print in the console of the browser. And the next one is alert. Window.alert. If I write exit, save it, open the browser and refresh it. See, this is the alert box. It's coming with the text which is given by us in the code. Okay. Here you can do any experiment by writing anything inside the body. Let's say I'm writing here h1 tab. Inside this h1 tag, I am writing my name is so and so. Save this, open and refresh. See, first JavaScript is loaded and it is showing the alert box. By clicking on this OK button, it will redirect to me to the HTML code. This much is for this video. If you have some doubt, let me know in the comment section. We'll definitely resolve these issues.